Fix notification settings on tweets. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix notification settings on tweets. So first thing, click on tweets, click on this icon, and you will find the second option, which is notifications. Here guys, you will find pause all, and here tweets and replays, and here guys you have following and followers notifications. Here you can fix all notifications, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next video.